Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd. And today, I just want to go over, once again, as I've been telling you for the last year now, the difference between a business card and a sales card. But let's start off with the traditional business card. Okay, I have one too. As you can see, I have my name, my address, company name, logos, even a couple other insignia on there, and my website, and even my Facebook ID. So, I have everything for a proper business card. But now, let's go take a look and see how a sales card really reels the people in that I haven't did business with yet. Remember, a business card is used and designed for someone that I've done business with, so they could appreciate this. But someone I haven't did business with yet wants preferably a sales card. So let's take a look how I advertise, especially this time of year, for my sales card. Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd, and I'm here in front of Home Depot, which is our large home improvement store. And it's about to be springtime, so it's time to make sure you guys remember what I've been telling you for the last year or so. So let's look at this here. So yep, as you can see, we're right here in front of Home Depot, and I have my truck here. And remember, guys, I've been telling you about your business cards. So on each side of my truck here, I have one of these business card holders. Here's another one on the back of the truck. And here's one on the other door. So, let's look at this here. Remember, I've been telling you about sales cards and business cards. So, remember, someone, especially out front here in front of Home Depot, takes one of my cards, they're not really asking for a business card, they're asking for a sales card. So I make sure I have my sales cards on the side of my truck. And as you can see here, it says, "Is it time for a little professional carpet cleaning? Save $25 on your next carpet cleaning of 3 rooms or more, and 1 upholstery chair clean for free. Put that fresh, clean, and healthy feeling back in your carpets today. Call," and then it has my phone number now. Now, on the back of the card, I have a picture of me, and then it reads, "As you probably guessed by now, I'm a professional carpet cleaner. My name is Roger Lloyd," and then it has a picture of me. I operate my business right here. In the Tri-County area. I've cleaned hundreds of its homes, residential homes. I'd like the opportunity to clean yours. I pride myself in delivering quality work at a reasonable price. I believe that the combination of both is what creates value. You can find rock bottom prices for carpet cleaning littered throughout the internet, and coupons, books. The problem is that no one can do a good job for those prices. What's worse is that many companies are less than ethical. Oops, sorry. Oh, I'm losing focus here. I'm trying to read this to you. There we go. Are less than ethical and will lure you in by giving you a low price to get in the door and begin charging you everything extra except the water. That's not the way I do business, and then it gives you my phone number and a free carpet inspection. Guys, this is how you want to do it. Keep in mind, guys, this is springtime. We're almost in spring. You need to have everything you can in your arsenal to make sure that you're making the most out of your spring season. Now, I just showed you a sales card. That's different than a business card because right away it's offering them $25 off, and then it's also giving them a free room for upholstery cleaning. And I know what you're saying. Hey, Roger, man, you already giving them $25 off. Why you got to give them a free chair too? That's overkill. It isn't, and it's not. What that is that's getting them to get 2 of your services for while you're in the house doing 1. Because, see, the law of reciprocity states, because I gave them the free chair, and if they like the way I cleaned it and it smells good, they're going to go ahead and get the rest of the sofas and love seats done. See, you have to think outside the box. I know we're being told by other guys and other groups that if you're a salesman, then go ahead and do it. But you have to be a salesman. Like, are you kidding me right now? I hear what you guys are saying, but you have to put some selling into it. It's not the way you want to do it. See, that's the problem with carpet cleaners. It's really a overpower or high quality job is the way you're doing it because it's not governed. And a lot of you guys are saying, oh, well, you can get in the carpet cleaning business and you can do it any way you want. Well, that's the problem. There's no order to it. So put some order to it. That's what the revolution is all about. I'm showing you. Now, my truck is right here in the parking lot, Home Depot parking lot. Look how big this is behind me. Everyone that's riding by to come to this home improvement store is seeing me from the rooftops. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? This is Roger Lloyd, and this is what the carpet cleaning revolution is all about. I hope I'll see you in August at the first Carpet Cleaning World Conference, because this is the type of marketing and sales strategies that are going to be shown and shared with you so you can go back home and do one thing, run a business. But just not a business where you're going out cleaning every day, running a business that's profitable that you're going out cleaning every day. Thank you, and until the next video, I'll see you soon.